Hello everyone. So, if you want a professional email, let's say for example, info@yourdomain.com, using Google Workspace and your site is on Squarespace, this video will walk you through the exact steps. So, in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually connect Squarespace to Google Workspace in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, obviously, you should go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, look for Squarespace, then go all the way to the login, use your email address and password to access the website. As for now, it's time to go all the way to settings here. We're gonna go and look for domains in the email, and here it is, Google Workspace. It's time now to sign up for Google Workspace on a monthly or annual subscription, it depends on you. So basically choose a plan, then enter your domain, select the domain connected to your Squarespace site, then create your email address. Choose your email name and set a password, then verify the domain ownership since Squarespace will automatically verify the domain for you. Wait for setup to complete. Email activation may take up to like 30 minutes, so you can access the Gmail. All you're gonna do is log in at mail.google.com using your new email, and that's the whole idea. As for these small tips, Google Workspace is fully integrated with Squarespace. So basically, no manual DNS edits are required. Also check the spam folder during the first few emails to check basically is there any new news for you, for example. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.